Good. So this is simple coin airdrop farming. So in this, but you can what you can do is most likely maybe the same as Hamster Combat, but one difference is you can withdraw what you earn. So this is how simple. This is my coins. What I have actually in my wallet, not my wallet, but in the bot. This is what I've already mined. So this is what I'm mining actually. Wait, this is what I'm mining actually. Currently, it's just 40 simple coins. So what's the difference with um I think that's something better than Hamster Combat like this way is you can withdraw what you are mining. So your coins you can withdraw them. There are just some simple condition to do, but they are going to remove that condition. So let me just click on withdraw and let's see that together. Okay, now it's not and simple listening. Simple cannot be replenished after withdrawal. Store your simple coin securely in the simple app. To withdraw simple coin to the mobile app, ensure you are registered with the same email. So let's go first see the condition. First condition, you must have at least 20 friends. So this condition is going to be removed. So I'll show you the message sent by the co-CEO of Simple Coin. So let's continue. You can withdraw no more than 10% of your current balance. So that means if you have maybe 1,000 coins, what you can withdraw is 10 coins. Yeah. So if you have 100,000 coins, what you can withdraw is just uh, to do 100 coins only, 10% of uh 1000 coins, sorry, 1000 coins, sorry. And you can withdraw a possible once every 24 hours. So that means once per day you can withdraw your coins. You must confirm the receipt of simple coin in the simple app. That's how the condition to withdraw what you have mined. So let's continue. As I said, it's a bit like Amstel Combat Board. By you can also win uh, the coins by doing some simple tasks like this. Like this, you have some simple tasks to do. Like in many other bots, you have these simple tasks to do. So you can earn some passive coins. You can also boost your profit per house. This is why it is similar to Amstel Combat. You can upgrade your what you earn per house, like you see here. Presently I earn 10 simple coins per house. So what to do to update that? You have some cards here that you have to update. I have not updated any card yet because I've just joined the bot. So I'm just showing you so that you can also participate in that. I don't know, it can help you later. Okay, so these are cards that you can update. Wait, let's see how it looks. I think first card I have to update is this pay 100. Okay, so get for okay, by buying this I obtained two more simple coins per hour. Cool. So what else? You can do tasks. Also, you can earn more coins by sharing the app, sharing your referral links to your friends so that they can also earn with you. Mm, wait, have it. Okay, referral. What else? Okay, for one friend invited, you get 100 simple coins, and for 50 friends you earn 8,000 simple coins that you can withdraw directly to your wallet in the simple app. They have their own app. What else? mm, you can boost. What's that? Boost insufficient found. Get for okay, I don't have this amount on my this amount of coins to the moon. Okay, the cryptocurrency market is vast and intriguing, offering endless opportunity for discovery and innovation. Dive deeper into this dynamic world and you always find something new and exciting to explore. I don't know what is this about. Okay, okay, I guess. uh, just like in Amstel Combat, you see the button that asks you to boost that allow you to boost your tapping pair. I think we cannot. Yeah, we can tap. Yeah, we have 5 tap. I get 5 taps. Yeah, it's similar to Amstel Combat. You also have the wheel. I've already spin mine, so maybe tomorrow. I don't know how it works. Maybe tomorrow it's one per day. Good. And finally, the mining. One last thing about the mining. It's you mine it for 8 hours. For 8 hours. For Amstel Combat, I think it's 3 hours only, but here it's 8 hours. You have 8 hours to before you log in again to restart your farming so you can be logged out for 8 hours. Your bot will be farming for you, so that's pretty cool. Also, you can also upgrade your tapping. That's good. I think that's pretty all for the bot. Sorry if my presentation is not good enough. You can have more description in your official channel. Let me show you that. I got them task. Okay. What's happening? Maybe internet. Okay. Bye. So let me show you. These are some tasks that I've already done. So make sure you watch the video to the it's good. Let me show you the official channel. Join Simple Terra. Yeah, this is it. Okay, this is your official channel, and they have an app where you can withdraw your money. The only thing you have to do is to uh, create an account with your email, only your email. The same email you use in the bot is the same email you have to use in the app. Yeah, that's the condition. Whereas I've told you about the referral that was okay. Massive news. Okay, this is the news from yesterday. So massive news. You want it, we will make it happen. You won't need 20 referral to withdraw simple coins to our custodial neobank simple app. Coming soon. And the magic number is only we're still waiting. So the news came out yesterday, so we're still waiting for the exact number. It could be only 5 friends to invite before start the withdrawal process, or maybe more, maybe 10. We don't know. We're just waiting, but not more 20 referrals. So I think I've talked about everything. If there is another news, I will let you know in a new video. So see you later, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.
Seamless Simple Coin withdrawals are here. Move your coins to the Simple app and enjoy.